Hello students, this is part A of our chapter Elements, Compounds and Mixtures. In this chapter, we are going to cover following topics. For elements, along with its definition, we are going to cover its occurrence, basic unit of element, its classification and representation. Next, for compounds, we are going to study its characteristics, formula making of the compound, basically by crisscross method along with its definition. Next, for mixtures, after covering its definition, we will study types of mixtures and then separation of mixtures. And at last, we will cover comparative study of elements, compounds and mixtures. First of all, covering introduction of elements, compounds, and mixtures. And before starting with the definition portion of elements, compounds and mixtures, we are going to cover a basic term, that is metal. We are covering matter before these terms because all these terms are part of the matter. Now what is matter? Matter is anything or any substance that has mass which occupies space by having volume. So what is matter? Matter is anything or any substance or any substance that has mass and which occupies space by having volume. By having certain volume. So matter is what? Matter is anything or any substance that has mass which occupies a space by having certain volume. Now this matter can be classified into two main categories. First one is pure substances and second one is impure substances. So matter, it is classified into two categories. First one is pure substances and second category is of impure substances. Now, in the category of pure substances, there are two varieties. First one is elements and second one is compounds. And in impure substances, there is mixtures. Now individually we will cover elements, compounds and mixtures. First of all, covering elements. Elements are what? Elements are the pure substances which are made up of only one kind of atoms. So, elements are what? These are pure substances and these are made up of only one kind of atoms and these elements cannot be broken down into more simpler substances. Okay, so elements are the pure substances. These are made up of only one kind of atoms and these cannot be broken down into more simpler substances. Now in this definition we are covering a chemical term, atoms. So what are atoms? Atoms are the basic unit of an element. Atoms are basic unit of elements. Okay, atoms are the basic units of elements and these are the smallest particle of an element that are not capable of existing independently. Okay. Now covering example of elements, you can take either hydrogen, symbol of hydrogen element is H. You can take potassium, symbol for potassium element is K. Now covering compounds. Compounds are what? Compounds are pure substances that are made up of two or more elements which can be broken down into elements by chemical means but not by physical means. So compounds are what? Compounds are pure substances and in compounds elements are present in fixed ratio. Compounds are made up of elements and elements are combined in a fixed ratio to form compounds. These elements combine in fixed ratios. Third point is that if you want to separate out elements from the compound, in that case you have to follow chemical means and not physical means. Means elements can be separated from compounds by chemical processes. Okay, by chemical means or chemical process and not by physical process or physical means. So, compounds are what? Compounds are pure substances which are made up of elements, and in a compound, elements are combined in fixed ratios. Elements can be separated from a compound. For that purpose, you have to follow chemical process and not physical process. So, elements can be separated by chemical means but not by physical means. Now, taking up example of compounds, suppose you're taking KCl. In this case, potassium and chloride ions are combined in the ratio 1:1. You're having 1 K, 1 potassium and 1 Cl. Taking up another example, that is water. In case of water, elements hydrogen and oxygen are combined in the ratio of 2:1. There are 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom in water. These are examples of compound. Now covering mixtures. Mixtures are what? Mixtures are the impure substances. Unlike elements and compounds which are pure substances, mixtures are what? Mixtures are impure substances. These are impure substances. Mixtures are made up of various substances, 2 or more substances that are combined in any proportion. These are made up of 2 or more substances and these substances are combined or mixed in any proportion. This is unlike compounds. In case of compounds, the ratio of the element is fixed, but in case of mixtures, ratio of the substances is not fixed. They can combine in any proportion. Next, in case of mixtures, substances from which mixture is made up of, those substances retain their normal properties. and this is also unlike your compounds. In case of compounds, when elements combine to form compound, the properties of the elements individually they are different, but when they are combined in the compound form, the properties of the compound are different. But in case of mixtures, the individual substances from which mixture is made up of, they retain their properties. They will not lose their identity. Now covering example of mixture, we can add salt in water. We are taking common salt, that is NaCl, and that we are adding into water, H2. So combination of salt NaCl and water H2 is a mixture. In this case, you can take either 1 spoon of NaCl or 2 spoon of NaCl or 3 spoon of NaCl or any number of spoon of NaCl and add that into any quantity of water. So in case of mixture, the quantity of the substances, the proportion of the substances is not fixed. Now summarizing all the points. First of all, matter. Matter is anything that has mass, occupies space and has volume. Matter is classified into two categories. One is pure substances, one is impure substances. In pure substances, you have to cover elements and compounds, and in impure substances, mixtures are there. Now, elements are what? Elements are the pure substances made up of only one kind of atoms. Elements cannot be broken down into more simpler substances. Now, what are atoms? Atoms are the basic unit of elements. What are compounds? Compounds are the pure substances made up of elements that are combined in fixed ratios. In case of compounds, elements can be separated from compounds by chemical means and not by physical means. Example we have taken KCl. In this case, potassium is element, Cl is also element, and these elements are combined in the fixed ratio 1:1. In H2O, 2 hydrogen elements are there and 1 oxygen element is there that are combined in the ratio 2:1. So 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atoms are combined forming water, H2O. Now what are mixtures? Mixtures are impure substances unlike your compounds and elements which are pure. Okay. Now these are made up of 2 or more substances which are present in any proportion. There is no fixed proportion of the substances in case of mixtures. Next. In case of mixtures, the substances retain their properties, and this is also unlike compounds in which the elements loses their individual identity when they are combined in the form of a compound. An example is NaCl added into water. You can take any quantity of your salt and any quantity of water for forming a mixture.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video